Hi, glory be to God. Remember, we are on the truth about Lenshina. So after Lenshina had formed a church called Lumpa Church, she wrote a set of rules to govern the church, or what we call a Lumpa Church's constitution. So we define constitution. A constitution is a body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. So from here onwards, brethren, we'll be moving step by step, meaning that when we read rule number, for example, this one, rule number 1, and describe it, that's when we move to the second rule. So, rule number 1 states, Lumpa Church is a church in which God the Father and His Son Jesus Christ are to be worshipped. It is not a political organization. Brethren, this rule number 1 locks all Lumpa Church Christians not to be involved in politics. It makes sure that all Christians in Lumpa Church are not politicians or be involved in politics. Why? You can check Philippians chapter 3 verse 20, 1 John chapter 2 verses 15 to 17, John chapter 6 verse 15, 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 20. This 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 20 states, we are ambassadors of Christ. Definition: an ambassador is someone sent from a sovereign country to another country as a representative, not to take part in traditions or whatsoever that is happening in that country, but just to represent your country because you are a foreigner in that country. And once you do that, you take part in traditions of that country, you become a lawbreaker. That's it. Okay, we continue. Now, what makes Christians to stay away from politics? In politics, there is the lust of flesh. There is a lust of flesh in politics. In politics, there is the lust of the eyes. That's sure. There is the lust of the eyes. In politics, there is the pride of life. In politics, we find cheating. In politics, we find murderers. In politics, there is stealing. In politics, there is false witnessing. In short, in politics, there is evil. As Lenshina taught all Christians, all Lumpa Church Christians must stay away from politics, because in politics, there is evil. You can't save God and Satan, remember. Brethren, you can't get involved with politics without getting your hands dirty. Let's meet again tomorrow as we continue. Thank you.